Welcome to 6051 the Resort Blvd. Come on inside. Isn't this a gorgeous kitchen? We're having open house this weekend at 6051 the Resort Blvd from 11 to 2. We'd love to see you here, tour the whole home, look at all the great amenities it has to offer. This impressive home is 4,816 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and a 4 garage. It's in the neighborhood, the resort on Eagle Mountain Lake. Gated, guarded, golf course, boat launch to Eagle Mountain Lake, tennis courts, swimming pool, and so much more. And now we're upstairs on the covered patio with an amazing living space, gas fireplace, beautiful views of 5 different pools of golf here at the resort on Eagle Mountain Lake. We're having open house this Saturday from 11 to 2. If you love golf and a great view, come see us. 11 to 2, 6051 the Resort Blvd.